So guys, what's up? And today we're going to be playing some Shell Shockers, and as you can see, the new cursor for the shotgun I really like, and it's actually been helping me out a lot. I've had some good kills with it while I wasn't recording, so I wanted to record this. And also, I had a lot of good kills on camera and stuff, and I had a good video, but my screen recorder was bugging up and it didn't record anything, so couldn't get that video. But anyway, what I was gonna say was, so I really like the new shotgun cursor. Actually, like, helping me in some way. And also, I think sniper, I feel like in the update, I feel like they changed it so sniper you would shoot faster, so it's not really a sniper anymore. Also, I haven't seen many people who like the crackshot. I personally do. Crackshot and shotgun are my two favorite skins in the game right now.
Hello,
funny
I'm Cordelio. Tiny Defender of Dogs. I'm the Tick and Fleet chewable that's gentle by design. With an extra purified active ingredient that's gentle enough for even young pups. Like Rosie here.
And
but tough
he
on
did a
ticks and
video
fleas.
on the new
Oh,
SMG.
yeah. No, not
And at that time, I kind of deserted both Shell Shockers and Conquer.
Gentle on dogs.
So
Tough on ticks
I didn't
and
know
fleas.
about the new skins, the new updates. I probably would have saw it eventually, but then I saw it and I thought there was just SMG, and then I saw Crackshot and I was like, this is a really good gun. And I only played SMG a bit because I didn't really like it, but I really like Crackshot. So, oh my gosh. It also kind of lags when I record my stream. See, like that should have been a hit. So yeah, I had some really good kills on camera, but then the footage got deleted or something. Did I kill that guy twice? That's the only 2 kills I've captured in this video. Just random kills of AFK people. Oh, this is a good map for sniper, but it's actually also a good map for shotgun. Not for like good fair shotgun fights, but when people are sniping in like a corner and you just sneak up on them. It's good for like kill farming. And there's something else I was gonna say. Oh, come on. Yeah, I haven't actually seen many people Crackshot. Not many people like Crackshot, but they really like the SMG. I personally don't like SMG and like Crackshot. I'm actually seeing a lot more people who like Crackshot who are playing Crackshot. Make this 4 kill streak, maybe. The only thing about Crackshot, it's a one-shot. Oh, GG's. It's a one-shot, but it's one shot, but it only holds 1 ammo, but it reloads fairly quick. But I don't like that it holds 1 ammo, because it seems like, oh. See, those 2 should have been hits. Now it's gonna heal. Okay, there we go, I got him. Killed 11? Okay, anyway. So what do you guys think I should upload on my channel? Because I honestly don't know. I've been uploading just clips of, oh my gosh, that's a lot of people. I used to just do, like, I would play Crunker or Shell Shockers at a minute of a time, or 10 minutes at a time. And if something cool happened, I would upload it to YouTube, and the videos would be pretty short. So I wanted to make like longer videos, so I'm actually coming back to Shell Shockers. I kind of deserted Shell Shockers and Conquer, and came back to Shell Shockers with the update. I love what they did with the update, and I like Shell Shockers a lot better now. And I'm probably going to be playing this a lot more. Another thing I don't know if I said, I probably did. Never mind. Anyway, there's like so many people in certain places. Like you can't find anyone where there's a lot of people. But the thing I like about this kind of aiming thing is I used to always scope with shotgun, and I would be like, pew, pew, and I would always put my shotgun in like that to shoot. But with the rounded thing, I feel like it helps because I don't feel like I have to scope in. Man, I missed both those shots. Good lad. Yeah, I've been seeing some, oh, this is another thing about an update. So I've been seeing some people, with the new rainbow skins like he had. And there's also rainbow skin and like a gear skin, but it costs 10,000. And I was gonna save up for it, but I immediately bought a skin for the crack shot, which you might have seen in my crack shot video. So, it's going to be hard to get those skins, but I'm already seeing some people with them. So, those are some pretty skilled people. And I feel like I could probably grind out one of those skins. This shotgun skin is actually the first skin at all that I ever got. And I remember just the grind to get it, because it's the most expensive skin at 5,000. Okay. Just trying to get this guy in the corner. This easy kill. This guy's like third party new shotgun or grenade. Yay! Oh, hello. Ew. See this skin right here? It's got like a rainbow tip. Oh, he has a sniper skin for it, too. Anyway, it's a really cool skin. I've seen in the video, this kind of skin for, like the skin I have right now for pistol, and I really like the pistol skin for this. Man, this guy has rainbow skin for everything. Shotgun, sniper, and pistol. Why would you get a rainbow skin for a pistol? Like, I would never get that. But I like that now there's 5 or 6 guns actually. But there's a lot more guns now that I like. Like Krunker, I like that there's so many classes, and I like Shell Shockers now because there's a lot more classes. Second tab. So yeah, I'm coming back to like Shell Shockers a lot more. I really love what they did with the update.
Hello, I'm Cordelio. Tiny Defender of Dogs.
Really
I'm the Ticket Fleet chewable that's gentle by design. With an extra purified active ingredient that's gentle enough for even young pups. Like Rosie here. But tough on ticks and fleas. Oh yeah. No, not today. Sliced. Use with caution in dogs with a history of seizures. Cordelio, gentle on dogs. Tough on ticks and fleas.
We got some new content in Shell Shockers, and I remember because when I just started playing this, I remember when I just started playing this, I remember I would play it so much each day that I would get bored of it because I didn't have an update. Like I would play it so much, and I was like, they need an update, they need an update, they need more guns, they need more skins. Well, they actually, I knew there were updates for skins, because, like, seasonal, but, I was thinking, they just need, I was just waiting for the updates for the new skins, for more content, and I really like that they actually finally updated it more.